Hey everyone, in this video I will let you know how you can unlock the hosting a domain. I will give you a very different way to resolve your domain related issues. I will recommend you to go to fiverr.com. I have given the link in the description below. You can click onto that link, go to fiverr.com, and in the search bar when you will write domain, you will be able to see a long list of experts who are offering their services for you to resolve your domain related issues. If we see here, we have 7,000 plus results. So let's say for example, we need issues related technical support. If we click onto it, we got 450 experts at the time. So in case we need search engine optimization of our website or hosting, you can hire any type of expert on this website in a very affordable rates. So I will recommend you to share your queries or issues with these experts. They will resolve it. And for a pro tip, I will recommend you to choose these filters. Like say for example, if you want your issues to be resolved within 24 hours, or what is your budget or seller level, my recommendation is the level 2 seller, because these are affordable and also very experienced on Fiverr platform. Level 1 and new sellers are basically newer to this platform, and top rated sellers are basically those who has very high level of skills but their rates are a bit higher. And here is the services options, because you can also do a paid video consultations with the experts, and at the end you can also select the category if you need search engine optimization support or IT, off page SEO, technical support, anything. So you will be able to find the relevant experts. I have given all the relevant links in the description below. Click onto it and resolve all your issues related to domains.